This is the dashboard for a student using Foliotek Plus assessment. I'm going to show you how to build a project and then a portfolio using templates that were provided by his instructor. Let's start here with building a project. I click on the plus sign and it will ask me, am I building a project for a community or a course, or is this one for my personal use? This one I'm going to do off of a template for my Intro to Business course, and I'm going to build one here off of this Business One communication template. As I start building a project off of a template, I can see the instructions that were left by my faculty member. Here it tells me what to do, as well as provides the resources I need to do the work that's been assigned. In this case, I'm being asked to write a paper about each of these two articles. So I'll go and build my project. First, I'm going to summarize my project as I was told to in my instructions. I'm copying and pasting here some text so you don't have to wait for me to type. Next, I'm going to add my first page. On this page, I was supposed to respond to an article that was left as a resource. I can get to that resource here, click on the button here to open it up in a new window. I'm going to do the reading of the article, write my paper, and add it. My files are listed right here, so I can just pick the one that I wish to add. Next, I'll add the next page. If I want to, I can write a description. And finally, I go here to tag and do my reflections. Let's start with reflections. Publish it so they can be viewed. I'll click on check mark to save my work. So building the project off of the template is pretty simple. We want the system to be easy to use. In this case, the professor already picked a picture for my project, so I didn't even have to do that. Of course, I could change that picture if I wanted to. Finally, I can see the competencies that were part of this. I can also tag my work. And remember, in the near future, we'll be releasing a tool which will allow potential employers to search for students by tag, achievements, and competencies met through their projects. So I've built my project. I'll hit this check mark here to save my work, and it's right here. It's saved. Now, if I want to enter it into the community like I've been told to in my course, I just click here to share it in a community. And I'm done. This project can now be scored. Sometimes a deeper portfolio will be used as an assignment as well, maybe a capstone, or maybe a portfolio that's designed to capture the work that was done in a specific course. Professors can build portfolio templates very easily and make them available to students in the community. I'm going to go over here to my portfolios page to show you how to build a portfolio. Click on Create Portfolio. I choose the background that I wish to use. Of course, I can change everything about this, including the background picture, should I so choose. I'll choose this one. Next, I can choose a content template. I see here that I have a template for my Business One course. That's what I'm supposed to use, so I'll use it. Here's my Business One portfolio. So I've created my blank shell. Next, I'll add some work to the pages that are assigned here. It tells me to enter a quick paragraph that explains who I am. I'll just copy and paste some random text in here to make this go a little faster. I'm going to go into the next page and actually add my work. First, I'll save my changes. I'm told here to put in 2 artifacts that show my problem solving and decision making skills. Oops, click the wrong button there. Let me go back to where I was. And edit this portfolio that I started. I've decided here I can't really see these pages with the color that was given. I could edit that in a design, or I could just change the background template quite easily. I'm going to go to the design area and pick a different template. That's better. I like that look. I'll come back to the design editor in a little bit. But first, I want to add some work to my pages. I'm erasing these instructions that were left for me. I'll add some sample artifacts. I could upload them directly or just go into my files area and pick anything that I've got. In this case, I have a project I want to embed, as well as a PowerPoint. I just drag it and drop it. And I've left my 2 computer literacy artifacts here. I'll go for my problem solving and decision making ones here. Erasing the instructions. Again, I'll go here to the files area to add my work. Here, I'll add an inline file view. It's going to load that document and make it available. I've added my other problem-solving decision-making artifact, embedding it right into my assignment. So a portfolio is very easy to build. You can work right through the editor and add text. You can copy and paste text into your editor. You can also use a tool called the Gizmo to embed things like images or slideshows or grids of pictures or splat of pictures or a video or anything with embed code or something off your Google Drive or a project that you've built. So this is a nice way to embed content without really having to do any code work at all. I'm going to embed a video here as an example. Since I don't have any in my account, I'm going to use a web video. I'm just going to copy and paste that URL and add it as a video directly into my portfolio. After I'm done, I'll click on Save. Now I'm ready to share this portfolio with others. I can share it in a community like I've been told to for my Intro to Business course. And I'm done. Now that professor will have the ability to see it from the community, and they'll be able to score it as well. On the student side of things, they generally have to build projects and portfolios as they're assigned throughout their coursework. They can also use Foliotek for their personal needs, like creating that professional narrative through an ID page and linking to their best projects and perhaps a job search portfolio.